My name is Ben, and I'm going to be showing you how to box and ship your machine to our US Depot Repair Center. Step 1. If you received a shipping box from us, thanks Carla, open the box, and inside you will find packaging instructions, a FedEx shipping label, and an inventory form for you to complete. If you are using your own box to ship, packing instructions and an inventory form will be emailed to you. Step 2. Please fill out the inventory form immediately with information about your machine as well as any passwords required to boot and access your system. We do not want to keep you away from your machine longer than we have to. In order to return your machine to you in a timely manner, it is important to complete the inventory form and ship it with your machine to avoid delays. Do not forget to place the completed form inside your shipping box. Step 3. Follow the packing instructions. Put your machine into the sleeve, if applicable, and place it inside the box. Place the machine in the sleeve, fold it up, and put it neatly back inside the box. Close the box, and you're ready. Now that your box is ready, your shipping options are as easy as ABC 1, 2, 3. A. Call 1-800-GO-FedEx and say, schedule pickup. B. Go online to FedEx.com and click on Ship. Or C. Drop your package off at your neighborhood business or commercial FedEx drop-off location. Here are a few things to mention. You'll be notified via email when your machine has arrived at the Lenovo Depot Repair Center and when your machine has been repaired and shipped back to you. If you'd like to check the status of your repair, please visit support.lenovo.com/repair status. There are certain instances where there may be a delay in your repair. 1. If additional information is needed by a technician. 2. If there is an unfortunate accident not covered by warranty, such as a spilled latte or a dropped laptop. Or 3. If there's a parts delay. No worries though. In either case, you will be notified via email whenever there is a delay in your depot repair. Thank you for watching our video on how to box and ship your machine to our US Depot Repair Center. When your depot service case is closed, please take the time to complete our survey on how we can continue to improve your experience. As always, thank you for choosing Lenovo.